We're gonna replace the differential fluid on my 02 Mazda Miata. So we're gonna need some 75 W90 and a pump to pump it all in. Differential brake loosen nut and a socket that's 14 millimeters. 24 millimeters. You jack up the car, jack it up properly. I recommend getting these rubber pieces for the pinch welds because, you know, as you can see, it's been smushed before. I don't want to smush it anymore. You don't want to smush this. That's dumb. I'm sure this has almost never been replaced, so it probably needs to be replaced. It's currently wet here because I just replaced the axle seals on both sides. This is the fill plug. This is the drain plug. Let's first remove the fill plug to make sure that it's not going to strip. It shouldn't strip. This is a Southern car. Then we can remove this, but we're gonna need a drain pan because you do not want to make a mess. So yeah, this is the seal I just removed. Just leverage here. So I need an extension on top of a breaker bar. That was a tough bolt. So remove this plug first, hot plug, so I can breathe. Let me do the bottoms. Make sure you have a drain pan. You don't want to make a mess. Now clean off the back of this bolt because it will be dirty with grime. Okay, we're now going to torque it to spec. This pump will come in handy in the future if you ever continue to work on cars. You should, because you save a lot of money. Now we shove this into the fill hole right up here and you pump. Okay, when it starts leaking out, you're done. And now torque this to spec. And that's it. And the job only took one quart of this, so that's pretty awesome. I'll link the bottle and the pump for you down below for your convenience. This definitely makes the job a lot easier. This is Chris, always appreciate and respect another. See you next time.